Well, don't mean to make you panic. You have less than 2 weeks to file your taxes, and experts say if you've been putting it off, well, now is the time to organize your receipts to meet the April 15th deadline.
Mark Steber is Jackson Hewitt's Chief Tax Officer. He joins us now with what you need to know about returns. Good morning. Let's talk some money.
Yeah, it's end game time. No more procrastinating. Time to get it done. Go get that refund.
The first thing we talked to him during the commercial break, and that was the first question we got, was did you guys do it? We're good.
I was going to have to shame you. Public shaming.
We're on it. So what are the top 3 tips for last-minute filers?
Well, don't panic. There's plenty of time, even if you're watching this in repeat, in a week from now. But you do not want to wait to the last minute. And the reason is simple. There are a lot of tax law changes for 25. There's a new $25,000 tip deduction, $12,500 overtime, $10,000 car loan interest deduction, $6,000 if you're a senior, and the list goes on and on if you got side hustles and crypto. You don't want your person or you stumbling along on your own trying to figure out, where do I get my overtime deduction a month? Where do I get my tip amount? So you don't want to rush and leave money on the table, because as I said in the start, at the end of the day, the IRS is not just going to send you more money because you left off one of the brand new benefits. You leave it off, it stays off. A little extra time can ensure you don't have that problem.
Oh, okay. Well, Mark, a question here. What if you missed the April 15th deadline and need an extension? Should you panic?
Yeah, you should. Extension's never a good idea. It really just means you get to pay someone like me to do your extension workup, and then you pay me again to do your taxes. So it's kind of a scam on most people. And the reality is, it's kind of like eating healthy. You're probably using missing a document as an excuse. Get on the phone, get on the computer. Hope is not a strategy. If you don't have it by now, it's not coming in the mail. And 99% of the people do not need to extend. They extend because they want to, or they think, or the big mistake, because my crypto hit big or my side hustle hit big. So I'm going to wait till the summer to pay. No, that's not how an extension works. An extension is only a time to do your paperwork twice. If you owe by midnight on the 15th, or you're going to run the risk of late payment penalty, underpayment penalty, late filing penalty, interest, cleanup charges for someone like me to fix it, you really want to pay attention to the deadline, and you got plenty of help out there. Go get it done.
Yeah, deadlines are there for a reason, for sure. Okay, talk about some of the new deductions this year and the myths you've been seeing about tax season. Rachel is mentioning a SALT deduction. What's this?
Yeah, I'm going to start off with a big one, $25,000 if you got tips. So if you're anybody with tip income, don't overlook that one. If you've got overtime, in your pay, don't look past that $12,500. $10,000 if you bought a new car in 25 and it was final assembled here. The easiest one is the 65 or older, $6,000 new deduction. But that's state and local deduction. If you own a home or if you itemize, they really give you a haircut for many years. But as part of that new legislation, they raise the amount of state and local tax you can deduct to $40,000. So if you're in a high income state like California, or you have high property taxes like everywhere, you got a much bigger deduction. We're seeing a lot of hot activity on that this year for people, but it's not limited to those. There's a bigger standard deduction, bigger child deduction, bigger adoption deduction, or credit, I should say. There's a lot to watch out for. We're seeing much bigger refunds, a lot more people with refunds. Go get that money.
Absolutely. I was happy to see that when my accountant told me that because of the changes to the SALT cap that my refund would be bigger. Certainly kind of, made me feel better about paying my heavy taxes, my property tax. Made me feel a little bit better. So, let's talk about the habits people can practice to make filing easier next year. This year, okay, fine. It's almost over. But, how can we better prepare for next year?
You don't have to over-engineer it. A lot of people think you need a computer system or a file cabinet. Really, the big envelope works or the shoebot works, but you need to find something that works for you. I like the little black journal that I write stuff down into that have life changes that I can tell my guy about or whoever wants to help me with my taxes. Long story short, you need something to be organized. You need a mid-year checkup in about July to run the halfway through the year, double it, and see where you are. But most importantly, if you filed already and you didn't get the result you liked because you owed or your refund was too small, or your refund was too large, now is plenty of time to take advantage of it. So get a plan, start to be a little more organized. I say this, whether you do your taxes yourself or you have someone, have a tax pro in your contact list to ask a question, verify a change or a rule that might be different, or to debunk Uncle Bob and his TikTok guidance that's telling you about this deduction or that. So have a contact, have a plan, and file early and get the result you deserve and you like. It's up on you.
Yes, sir. Mark Steber, I really like you. You just tell it like it is.
You make taxes fun. I never
My
thought
clients
I'd say
all get
that.
refunds because I make them put more money in their withholding. I make them match on the 401k. I make them do the mid-year checkup. It's a proven model. I promise you it works, but you have to be involved.
Mark, where are you from? I like your accent.
Well, I'm from Alabama, Roll Tide, but I
Roll
also
Tide.
live down in Florida. But right now in tax season, the world is my city. I came from New York and D.C. I'm in Nashville today. Heading out from here after this, so it's an exciting time.
Well, we've certainly enjoyed having you. You're
Thanks
lots
for
of fun.
making the time you have with us. We appreciate it.
Well, we'll talk again in the summer about the mid-year planning for your folks. I tell you, it's a great best practice.
Let's do it. Thank you
Got
so
it.
much, Mark.
All right, have a great morning. Go get that money.
Go get that money. Yes.